If Discord is showing error 2015, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Discord working again on Windows. This error is usually related to app permissions, graphics settings, server-side issues, or corrupted app data. So we'll go step by step and cover each one in the right order. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and Discord troubleshooting videos. Let's get into it. First, completely close Discord before you do anything else. You want to make sure it is not running in the background. To do that, open Task Manager and check for any active Discord processes. If you see Discord still running, end those tasks first. Once Discord is fully closed, go to your Discord desktop shortcut, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running Discord with administrator permissions can fix issues caused by restricted access or a temporary permission problem, and for many users, this alone is enough to clear the error. If error 2015 is still there, the next thing to try is toggling hardware acceleration. Open Discord, then go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon near your profile area. From there, scroll to the Advanced section. You should see Hardware Acceleration. Turn it off, then fully relaunch Discord. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause conflicts with your graphics driver or system resources, especially if Discord is struggling to load properly. If disabling it does not help, go back and turn hardware acceleration back on, then restart Discord again. This sounds simple, but it can refresh how the app uses your system and fix the issue in some cases. Next, it's a good idea to check whether the problem is actually on Discord's end. Open Discord status in your browser and look for any active outages, especially anything related to voice, login, or connection services. If Discord is having a server-side problem, no local fix on your computer will fully solve it until the service is restored. So before you spend too much time changing settings, confirm that the platform itself is operating normally. If there is an outage, the best move is usually to wait and try again later. If none of those steps worked, the next fix is to clear Discord app data. This is one of the most effective ways to repair error 2015 because it removes potentially corrupted files and forces Discord to rebuild fresh data the next time it launches. First, completely close Discord again. Then press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Inside that folder, find the Discord folder and delete it. After that, press Windows key and R again. Type %localappdata% and press Enter. Once that folder opens, find the Discord folder there too and delete it as well. These folders store cached files and local app data, and if something gets corrupted inside them, Discord may keep throwing error messages or fail to open properly. After deleting both Discord folders, relaunch the app. Discord will automatically rebuild the missing files and re-download anything it needs. This process can take a little bit longer the first time you open it, so be patient and let it load fully. In many cases, this final step clears the error and restores normal access without needing a full reinstall. So to recap, run Discord as administrator, toggle hardware acceleration, check Discord server status, and clear the app data in both app data locations. Those are the main fixes for Discord error 2015, and one of them usually resolves the issue. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Discord troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.